Hi folks, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another product. This is from MobileEdge.com. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button. This is the Core Gaming VR backpack. It's pretty interesting, and it's kind of designed for your VR units, so you can travel with them, take them with you wherever you go, protect them, etc., etc. This fits PC laptops up to 60 inches and MacBooks up to 17 inches. It's got a checkpoint-friendly design that makes it so you can speed through TSA checkpoints. It's got dedicated spaces inside of it for your VR controllers and your VR headset. It's got a dedicated workstation for your USB drives, flash cards, and small accessories. 3 separate sections are built into it for a laptop, tablet, accessories, and personal items. And it's got a separate polyfleece lined iPad, tablet, or e-reader pocket. The front panel is perfect for customization with team patches and logos. You can just rip them off, tag them on, however you want. And it comes with a lifetime warranty, so how about them apples as well? It's a beautifully designed backpack, and it definitely seems like it will hold up in the punishment of traveling, etc., etc. It comes in just the one color, black, and it's made of a material of ballistic nylon. Weighs about 4.35 pounds on its own, so you'll need to add whatever you add into it to that. And pretty interesting. The product dimensions are 4.5 inches, 19 inches by 9.25, and at the current price, $119.99. It's a pretty darn good deal for a great backpack that'll protect your VR units and all that good stuff. And wow, they thought of everything. You got so many pockets in this thing. It's pretty crazy. I'd highly recommend it. It's MobileEdge.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Check out their Core Gaming VR backpack.